our trader rundown today. Todd Bubba Horwitz joins me now, and he's all over this Brexit situation, as are many traders. Good to see you.
Good morning, Brexit exit.
Brexit exit. He's all about it. What's going to happen here? And I feel like traders are gravitating towards big banks as a potential huge play ahead of this vote.
Well, there's been talk already that there may be a bank holiday on Friday. So that means that there could be some trouble in the banks there. You know, the banking industry itself is a little suspect to begin with because nobody's got enough money to cover the actual money that they have on the street that people have on deposit. So what you're seeing here, I think, is a fear that the banks could fail there, which would make our banks a lot stronger. And I think you're seeing a lot of volume. You're seeing a lot of call buying right now. I think you're seeing a lot of shot taking. I mean, truthfully, to me, this is something I would sell into because even if they're right, they've already priced it all in already.
Oh, interesting. And this happens a lot in the market. People have already made the trade. And when I mean people, I mean the so-called smart money, the institutional players, the big-time traders. They're already ahead of the curve. But yet, I think what you say has to be noted. Heavy call buying yesterday, especially in names like JP Morgan, Citigroup, we saw it in Goldman. Morgan Stanley had a lot. And this tells us that these banks have exposure to the UK as well.
They do, and they can have some benefit. And I think what you're going to see here is, you know, again, and especially when you start buying heavily and vol starts to explode or volatility starts to explode in some of these quieter names, they really can't support that high volatility. So if you're going to play in that space, be very careful because it's not, market expectations will get you, and they're kind of telling you where the market's going to be already. So, you know, unless it's some crisis, I don't think there's going to be, I think it's going to be a dud.
But the bottom line, traders are thinking what? That these banks will rip higher.
They think they're going to get some move, but again, your rip is a relative term. That's where I think that the actual traders are making a mistake here, or the so-called smart money. The smart money was probably buying 2 weeks ago when we were even further depressed down, and now you're starting to see some of the public money come in to chase it up because they're starting to see these signs a little bit later, and that's what I would be more concerned about. I think that overall, though, the Brexit thing is a big nothing in my opinion anyways.
Okay, let's leave it on that note. Thank you.
Thank you.